So, hey, this is Angie Fresh.
And I'm Jazzy Fizzle.
Productizzle. Okay, so today we're going to talk about slutty behavior in high school and middle school. Okay? It's not cute. Really, it's just not cute. What do you think?
I think there's a lot of that in our school.
Listen, I think about 95% of the girls in our school are whores. Really, really big.
But that's all that guys in our school like, so.
And we have about 17 girls that are pregnant.
Like, that's nasty.
And most of them are freshmen.
Keep
Come
your legs
on.
closed.
Don't be a Mexican. Close your legs. Come on. You don't want to be popping out babies every week. Come on. Okay.
And half the girls don't even take care of their babies once they have them, too.
Huh?
The girls don't even take care of their babies once they
I
have
know. And then they'll be sitting there in class, you see all the pregnant girls in the corner, and they're like, oh yeah, I got a matching purse to go with my baby.
them. What are they, Britney Spears?
Oh yeah, definitely. I bet you that's their role model. Britney Spears and Jamie Lynn Spears.
Let's have babies and we'll, like, dress them up together.
Definitely. Did you see that movie, Pregnancy Pact?
Oh my god.
Come on. Come
You
on.
are dumb.
And then MTV has videos. That new TV show.
Teen Mom.
Teen Mom. Yeah. It's basically telling you it's okay to have a baby when you're a teenager. It's gonna be all good. No. Your life is gonna suck. Stop having sex. Close your freaking legs, you little
There's plenty
whores.
other fun stuff to do, trust me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's our message to you today. Peace out.